Hello, teacher. My name is Joana Patricia Pescador Hernández. Student Licenciatura Pedagogía Infantil, 3 semester. Tarea making a presentation about my best friend. My best friend is Yolanda Patricia Cruz Cruz. She has been my co-worker for 11 years. Is 42 years old and is a primary school teacher. She is a very spiritual and religious woman. She likes to read the Word of God and participation in workshops or diplomas in theology. Personal information. Spiritual, teacher, cyclist, artisan. She is a person who likes to make crafts and makes drawings with very good aesthetic taste. She is also very cheerful and fun and likes to ride a bicycle. He also advises me on what I should do about certain situations that arise on a personal and professional level. She is an only child, and when she was a child, she liked to play with her neighbors about religious issues because she was too skilled at learning prayer and could share with her friends what she knew. So much so that she talks about entering a convent because she felt she had the vocation, but none of her family supported her, and over time she did not have the need to do it either. For he fell in love and eventually also married, and they had a beautiful daughter. Now he is very happy with what the hope he does. Thank you very much.